Tired of deer, cats, or raccoons ruining your garden? The Yardeen Outdoor Solar Repellent Sprinkler uses motion-activated water spray to keep pests away. Humanely, is it worth $75 for your yard in 2025? Let's find out. Welcome back to SmartBloom. I'm your name, and we're all about smart gardening gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're reviewing the Yardeen Solar Motion Sprinkler, a game-changer for keeping pests out of gardens in the USA, EU, and beyond. Hit subscribe for more. The Yardeen Outdoor Solar Repellent Sprinkler is a motion-activated device that sprays water to deter pests like deer, raccoons, cats, and birds. Priced at $75, it's solar-powered with a built-in battery, covers up to 1,000 square feet, and uses just 3 cups of water per spray. It's perfect for small to medium gardens, keeping your plants safe without harmful chemicals. Let's talk features. It has a motion sensor with a 30-foot detection range, adjustable to cover up to 1,000 square feet. The solar panel keeps it charged, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. No battery replacements needed. You can set it for day, night, or 24-hour mode, and it sprays for just 3 seconds per activation, saving water while scaring pests with a sudden burst. Here's the deeper dive. The Yardeen sprinkler uses an infrared sensor to detect motion and heat, ideal for pests like deer or cats. In my test in a small Florida garden, it scared off a raccoon in seconds. Pretty entertaining to watch. It covers 1,000 square feet, but the spray range is shorter than expected, about 15 feet, not the 30 feet some users hoped for. Setup takes 10 minutes, but you'll need a high-quality hose and possibly a pressure regulator if your water pressure exceeds 90 psi, as some users report leaks with high pressure. It's humane, using only water, and users in the EU say it's kept cats from their lawns for weeks. However, it can be tricky to set up if you're not tech-savvy. Follow the instructions carefully. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: it's eco-friendly with solar power, humane and water efficient, only 3 cups per spray. It's great for small gardens and easy to install with a sturdy stake. Cons: the spray range is shorter than expected, and high water pressure can cause leaks. Use a regulator. It might not work well in shady yards, since it relies on solar charging. Overall, a solid pest deterrent. Who should buy this sprinkler? It's perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada with small to medium yards, up to 1,000 square feet, who want a humane way to keep pests like deer or cats away. If you're eco-conscious and have a sunny spot for solar charging, this is a great pick. It's not ideal for large farms or very shady areas. Ready to protect your garden? Get the Yardeen Solar Motion Sprinkler on Amazon for $75, link in the description. How do you keep pests out of your garden? Share your tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more smart gardening reviews.